what he does. And the cast, the musicians, I wrote for years and years at this piano or other pianos, and to see it come alive, the songs are like my children. They live and breathe every time they're sung well, like tonight. And I thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. They're marvelous.
Sedaka. We really, I promise you, I swear to you, we have nothing prepared, but I think we got to do another one, haven't we? Can we do Laughter in the Rain, do you think? What would you like to do? Go on, sing it.
Let's sing it together. In F, is it an F? Rolling along country roads with my baby. It starts to rain and begins to pour. Without an umbrella, we're soaked to the skin. I feel a shiver up my spine. I feel the warmth of her hand in mine. I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. I love the rainy day and my happy way I feel inside. Thank you so very much for coming tonight.